Starfield, a game I'm extremely excited about, is just around the corner, and I can't wait to dive into its immersive universe. Microsoft has recently unveiled a limited edition Starfield controller and headset, and I must say, they look beautiful. The release date for Starfield is set for September 6th, exclusively on Xbox and PC, which seemed to bother Sony, known for the stronghold and exclusive titles. It's quite ironic considering their previous attempts to secure timed exclusivity for Deathloop, Ghostwire and Starfield, before Microsoft's acquisition of Bethesda. During the Microsoft hearing, Phil Spencer revealed that Sony regularly pays competitors to skip the Xbox platform, and Microsoft felt it needed to own Bethesda to compete. Now let's turn our attention to the unboxing of the controller. Right from the start, I could feel that this controller was truly unique. As I took it out of the packaging, I was amazed by its design and details, exceeding my expectations from online images. Inside the box you'll find 2 batteries, as well as the usual product information. The design is stunning, with a sleek matte white finish and accents of grey, red, bronze and a constellation-inspired flag. The bronze D-pad really adds a premium touch, and the light grey thumbsticks with red accents look great. With transparent triggers, the spinning and vibrating motors are showcased, which looks very awesome. The integration of game controls into the design and attention to detail are impressive. The A, B, X and Y buttons combine white color and transparency, while the majority of the back is red with a grey touch and the Starfield logo on the battery case. The two-tone grips, resembling spaceship panels, provide a comfortable and pleasant feel when holding the controller. Overall, the limited edition controller sets a new standard in terms of design, attention to detail and quality. Personally, I believe it's one of the best limited edition controllers Microsoft has released. The limited edition Starfield headset, a perfect companion to the controller, comes in a sleek presentation. The Starfield logo shines on the side, and the use of Starfield texture on the packaging bag adds a nice touch. Inside the box you'll find the USB to USB-C cable for charging, along with the product information. Similar to the controller, the headset is a work of art, with bronze accents between the air cuffs adding an extra touch. The constellation colors provide an extra pop, showcasing the phrase property of constellation. In terms of functionality, the headset offers Bluetooth 4.2 connectivity with Xbox consoles, PC, Android and iOS devices. The volume and game chat mix dials on the ear cups provide easy control, similar to the original headset versions by Microsoft. The plush leather lining on the ear cups and headband ensure comfort during long gaming sessions. The microphone, with its transparent tip and exposed inner components, add a unique visual touch and lights up when the mute button is activated. To summarize, with the Starfield Edition controller and headset, you're ready to embark on an intergalactic journey. If you already own a wireless headset, it may not be a necessary upgrade unless you're into collecting or a big fan of Starfield or the design. Furthermore, I want to share 2 hidden features of the controller and headset. Firstly, the Starfield headset offers a unique sound with a spaceship-like takeoff sound when turned on and an engine-like sound when turned off, unlike the regular headset. Secondly, owning a Starfield controller unlocks a special dynamic theme. To access it, go to Settings, then Personalization, My Background and navigate to Dynamic Backgrounds. Under Xbox, you'll find the Starfield dynamic background, however, I must admit that in my opinion, it's a bit basic and could have been more impressive. Would you consider adding the Starfield controller or headset to your gaming setup? Let me know in the comment section below. For now, thank you for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.